Starbrite Screen Cleaner and Protectant was specifically created to safely remove fingerprints, salt deposits, water spots, and smudges from chart plotter, depth finder, radar, and other marine electronic screens, as well as other plastic or glass surfaces. The formula won't harm plastic or glass or otherwise affect the tints used on screens. It gently lifts grime so that it can be wiped away, leaving a protective, non-smearing polymer coating that helps keep screens clean and easy to read. To use, simply spray onto the surface to be cleaned and use a soft cloth to wipe up excess. In addition to keeping chart plotter and radar screens clean, use it to clean lenses on glasses, sunglasses, and even watertight phone cases. Starbrite Screen Cleaner and Protectant can be used as often as needed and will not affect touchscreen performance. The pleasant pina colada scent leaves screens smelling good too.